I like the flights here, to be honest, and I'm not trying to be elitist, but normally I do travel private, and I really like the, it's just my time, my space, because that's the only place. See, with a lot of love, a lot of things happen that even if I'm flying commercial on a long flight, people come to meet you, and then by nature I'm such that yes, I would love to meet all of them. So it's not your own time. But whenever I'm flying, like just recently I flew to see my son in New York about a month back. I was flying private, so it was nice. I can just be myself. I can read a book. I can, just do nothing. Take out some old little series on my hard disk and watch a movie or write. I do write when I'm traveling alone. Sometimes I'm traveling to say a speech or something, so I find that time really nice to write. Liberating in the sense that's the only time I get on myself, because see, fortunately, like my work entails being surrounded by 200 people a day on sets, being someone else. There's hardly any time to be yourself, so you get into a zone of always being a certain type. You're coming on the sets, you have to learn your lines, you have to be professional, you have to finish your work, so you're not play acting, but you're not just. We hardly get time to be just. So when other actors and actresses talk about it, I think they just mean that you can just be, and I think that's quite nice. And I really appreciate it. Some of the girls tell me they take time off, they run off, a couple of weeks, and I sit down intrigued, and I've spoken to all of them, and really, oh, you do that? Then what do you do? They say nothing. I said, then what happened? Nothing. Then how do you feel? It's nothing sharp, but it's very nice. You should do it. So I hear them say it, and yeah. But I have a lot of responsibilities here because I have kids, and I find whenever I find time, I want to be with them.